Okay, let's go.
As you heard from the guys, we're excited for this new journey. It's the giveaway and the launch 7 days apart. First, we start with the 18th of April, the launch of Time and Taxes. Please be there or you might miss out. If you follow us from that point forward, you will stand a chance to win a PlayStation 5 or 600 euros at the next big day, which is my birthday, by the way. And for my birthday, we'll be giving away a lucky subscriber or a follower, 600 euros or PlayStation. And not to forget, on the 18th, our launch day, that will be one of the founders, Heinz's birthday as well. So we're looking forward to that day, and it could be an exciting journey. And we are so excited. So we will be going live on TikTok and we will be going live on YouTube. So please do follow us, and I hope you enjoy this journey. Peace out.